Hi, this video is going to be on the theme of fate in Romeo and Juliet. This theme is first introduced in the prologue, where we see the fate of our star-crossed lovers being introduced. Romeo and Juliet's fate is described as death-marked in the prologue, and so we therefore know that they're going to die. And because we, the audience, know this, but the characters themselves don't, this creates a certain kind of dramatic irony in the play. And it also allows for the characters to unknowingly foreshadow their own fate. And we see Romeo and Juliet say things that foreshadow their deaths unknowingly a lot. Also, we have Romeo referring to the idea of fate when he says that he thinks there's some consequence yet hanging in the stars. So he is almost aware that his fate is predetermined for him. Perhaps one of the most famous instances in the play of foreshadowing is Mercutio's line, "A plague, O both your houses." So he curses the Montagues and Capulets and also solidifies their fate. And to an Elizabethan audience, this theme of fate would be particularly apparent because they were known for being very superstitious, so they would be more likely to believe in the idea of fate. Thanks for listening.